food channel. This is Anagha Koka, and in this video I'll be showing you a simple easy recipe that is instant tomato rice. This is tangy, spicy and lip smacking. So let's see how to make this particular recipe, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you. So let's see how to make pan tomato rice. It's very simple, very quick. First we need to take boiled rice. Next we are going to add turmeric, chili powder, salt, little garam masala and a spoon of oil. Mix this well. Make sure you don't break the rice. Keep this aside. Add oil. Once the oil is warm enough, add jeera, curry leaves, and dried slit green chillies. Add little coriander leaves. Once it is fried, add tomatoes. Keep lid. Let the tomatoes get completely mashed. So let's check if the tomatoes are completely mashed. Add little turmeric, little chilli powder. Make sure you add the dry ingredient quantity less, as we have already added in the rice. So a little quantity will be enough. Coriander powder, little salt and little sugar. Add garam masala as well. Now mix this completely. Add coriander leaves. And now we shall add the rice. Add this rice. And mix this thoroughly. Now we'll add little roasted groundnut or peanuts. Mix it and then we can serve it. This is ready. So let's serve this instant tomato rice. garnish this with coriander leaves. So here the tawa tomato rice is ready. This is instant, quick and healthy too. So if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.